Hi Griffin, it was nice talking with you today. I just wanted to send you this quick website audit as promised to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video, I'm going to go over a few easy ways to beat your competition online. We'll take a look at your website and then I'll give you some tips about other important things that will help you to rank higher on Google. So the three things we're going to go over are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the home page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the home page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like, it depends on what areas you want to service, but there wasn't a real high search volume in Justin, so you'd be looking at, electrician Arlington, Texas, or, electrician Fort Worth, Texas, any of the closer, bigger cities near you. And other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. So again, it depends on what locations you're trying to target and how far you guys are willing to travel, etc. But definitely targeting more keywords with location-specific keywords would be the best in order to bring in more traffic to your site. So looking at your website, I can tell that you're needing a little more content here on the home page. So in order to meet that 1,500 word mark, you're going to want to definitely add some more content and some more keywords. So if you were to add, get up to that 1,500 mark, you're going to want 10 to 15 keywords. The rule of thumb that we tell our clients is one keyword phrase for every 100 words. So 10 to 15 would be a good number to strive for there. I really like how your services are split up into different pages. That way these back pages can more easily rank on Google. And also, as far as content goes, we recommend 500 words on all of your service pages and then anywhere from 3 to 5 keywords within those. So you'll want it to be those keywords spread kind of organically throughout the paragraphs here. So just a little tip for that, but I really like all the photos on the pages and it's a really nice touch. And then looks like we have the team right here. So really helps to build trust with your prospective clients. I like that a lot. The other thing I'd recommend is if you could add some testimonials on your homepage. That's always a huge plus and goes a long way with anyone that might be on the fence about hiring you guys. People love reading reviews and ratings and all that good stuff. So the next thing I want to go over with you is backlinks. Now, the thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So, for example, an electrician blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you, or a popular website that features various types of home services and features some electrical work. That would be another good one for you. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza, just as an example. So a tool I use to measure the traffic coming into your site and backlinks is called Ahrefs. So I put your site in up here. It looks like you have 483 backlinks coming from 34 different websites, and you have a 1 for your organic traffic. So that tells me that you're getting minimal to no traffic coming into your website per month. This means you've had 1 website visit in the last 30 days. That's what it's measured over. So compared to one of your top competitors in an area near you, here in Fort Worth, Mr. Electric, Fort Worth, I'm sure you've heard of them. They have a whole lot of backlinks that are higher quality, and then that's giving them a lot of traffic to their site. So you can see that they have 756 website visits in the last 30 days. So they're definitely getting a lot more website visits, and most likely, a good amount of those, or at least some, are converting to new customers. So a strategy we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have, and then continue to keep adding more and more. So you'll end up surpassing them while gaining more and more power to your site, a lot more organic traffic, and of course, along with that, a lot of new customers. So the last thing I want to talk to you about is citations. And citations are very important because if someone wants a service now, most likely what they're going to do is they're going to go and type on Google the service that they're looking for. So electrician Fort Worth. Now you'll see that the Google My Business local map pack pops up right here. So usually there's the top 3 or 4 businesses ranked in the map pack up here. And a lot of people see these as the best in the field, or the best, in the area to use, because obviously they have ratings, they have reviews, and they're coming up at the top. But the reason they're popping up at the top is not necessarily because they're the best, it's because they have the most citations. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories, such as Yelp, Facebook, or Yellow Pages, to name a few. So something we tell our clients is pretty much the same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. What you'll want to do here is you'll want to go in and list yourself in whatever directories these companies have listed themselves in, and then go ahead and add about 20 to 30% more directories than your competition. What's going to happen is over time, you'll end up infiltrating this Google My Business local map pack. You'll be ranking at the top before your competitors even realize it, and they won't be able to catch up because you'll just keep adding on more backlinks, more citations, and taking on all of that new business. So Griffin, in closing today, I just wanted to show you my website. This is my company, Loba Leads, and this is my phone number. And of course, I'll send all of my contact info over via email to you. But I really appreciate your time talking with me today, and I hope that this video was helpful to you. And I look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks.